When I'm operating, I can treat one patient. But if I can teach someone to do something better, then that changes all their practice as well. So it's just a snowballing effect. I'm an orthopaedic surgeon, but I have a keen interest and passion in innovation and teaching and research. I do teaching for the medical students. At the moment, we're quite excited. We're doing a videoing shoot today, looking at an immersive 360 video setup to try and give students more of an engagement of how theatres operate, so they don't have that first fight, rabbit in headlights scenario when they first come into theatres. Our main key for teaching students is actually trying to inspire them rather than actually teach them, and trying to give them those key skills to really think for themselves. And also trying to actually just get them some of the insight into creating their own new protocols and policies. One of the students I have at the moment, we've been designing a spin-off company to design a new implant for treating fractures. The ideas and the innovation doesn't need to come from the top, it actually can come from the ground up, and it can come from all directions. People that come with fresh ideas and actually see things for the first time go, oh, why are they doing it that way and not this way? Whereas often people from the top have been indoctrinated into a system. The whole reason I went into orthopaedics is because I just think it's an amazing specialty. We treat children from birth with hip problems and hip dysplasia, all the way up to your octogenarians and 100-year-olds as well. Seeing someone walk again that was in pain and crippled, and getting them actually up and walking the following day it is inspiring. My brain's sort of always going 24/7 trying to think of new ideas and ideas that we can build and inspire. It's a great job.